Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO Tuesday tutorial. So this one is about emails that are starting to go around more and more where people, businesses, websites are phishing for external backlinks. And it's not that they're doing anything illegal or really wrong, but they're doing something that's a little bit deceptive in that it benefits them and really doesn't benefit you near as much. So I apologize that a lot of this is blurred out, but this is a part of an actual email. And what they'll do in this is you'll notice that they will go ahead and say something about your site, usually complimentary, and then they'll say, oh, we've got a website and here's a link. Would you like to cite to our website or our article? Right, so what they're asking is they're asking for you to put an external backlink from your website to theirs. Now, that's an SEO technique that can be used, which is good for them, but it's not necessarily good for you. So what's kind of interesting is if you ever want, you can of course reply back to this type of an email and ask them, well, thank you. We're humbled by your offer. We make the same offer to you. Go ahead, you can give us an external backlink and link your article to ours. And you'll probably find out that they never do it. They are phishing for external backlinks. So how those basically work, just in a nutshell, is that the more websites out there and reputable websites that link to your website, the better off you are. Right? And when you start linking to websites that maybe aren't on topic or maybe are well out of the area of your service or product, you start to hurt your website because it's not a quality website that is relevant to what your website is about. So I understand this is a little deep in theory, a little hard to understand, but that's the basics. I want folks to be able to understand maybe not exactly a scam, but it's not really a 50-50 type of deal where they're willing to have you update your website and point to them. You also have to be careful when they start to make offers of what they'll do for you, because Google says that they will not allow backlinks which are paid for. So this starts to get into a little bit of a gray area. All right, so I hope this helps to inform you about external backlinks and how in most cases you will not want to take up the offer of these random emails that are going around where they say, hey, take your site and point a link to our site. You want to keep your external backlinks high quality and relevant. Thanks, and I hope this helps.